Hi friends, in this video we are going to unbox Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 smartphone. This is the packaging of Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. There are some specifications on the back side of the package. There is a Redmi Note 8 logo. Again the Redmi Note 8 logo on the side. Let's open the package. Our smartphone is covered in a soft cover. Let's take it out. This is our Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 smartphone. Let's keep the smartphone side and look what others are in the box. We got an adapter, and this is also a data cable, which is a USB Type-C connector. Now let's place that to side and look the phone. Here's our Redmi Note 8. Looks vibrant, right? That's it guys, our unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Cinema Space 4K.